Toward the top of the factory data journey is where most of the tangible, and some may say the most exciting action happens. It's where you make effective use of the factory data you've collected to deliver actionable intelligence. Designed to holistically measure the performance of your entire operation, Cogiscan's visual analytics tools will provide deeper insight into your KPIs to better drive actions that will meaningfully improve your electronics manufacturing operation. Within Cogiscan's analytics portfolio, we have the Factory Intelligence product suite consisting of two submodules: Factory Intelligence Real-Time and Factory Intelligence Analytics. FI Real-Time provides a current snapshot of the real-time situation in the factory. And FI Analytics presents a historical view of what happened in the past and includes a drill-down feature that allows for deeper analysis on placement machines and inspection equipment. Designed to centralize real-time data capture from the entire manufacturing process, factory intelligence dashboards are used by electronics manufacturers globally to improve productivity, increase asset utilization, and fully measure manufacturing process changes. As a web-based dashboard, factory intelligence can be accessed from anywhere. If you're on the road, working from home, or visiting a customer, you can quickly access and validate the performance of your factory. You could even show your customer in real time the status of their latest order running on the line. Updated with information every 30 seconds, FI Real-Time includes factory, line, and machine-level dashboards with a rich set of customizable SMT-specific metrics. Fed with the latest factory data, FI Real-Time will alert you to problems on the line so you can fix them quickly and keep your machines running. The historical analysis module within FI Analytics includes over 70 predefined KPIs related to the three factors of OEE: quality, availability, and performance. Ideally suited to dive into the details of your manufacturing process, FI Analytics includes a comparison feature that allows you to better understand if any change you made to the production process is actually working. The drill down feature provides advanced analytics on both placement issues and defects in order to pinpoint root cause and initiate immediate action. Within the defect analysis module of drill down, you are provided with detailed defect and false call information for test and inspection machines. Analyses can be looked at from a higher level, such as from the line itself, with the ability to drill down all the way to a specific pin on a component. Within the placement analysis module of drill down, you are given extensive analyses of mispicks and not placed components for your pick and place machines. Like the defect analysis module, it also includes a drill down path, starting at the line level and drilling all the way down to the spindle ID. The extensive data analysis and customized metrics within drill down will help you achieve a smooth running manufacturing operation by optimizing quality and performance of your most critical machines on the SMT line. Deriving actionable intelligence to improve your operation is at the core of every smart factory journey. Our analytics products push you to the apex of your journey by better understanding your operation so you can realize a seamless, intelligent, and dare we say, ideal manufacturing operation. No matter where you are on the factory data journey, we have a solution for you.